Hey, Ashley.
Hi.
Sorry, I'm trying to figure out this Google thing, and I probably sent you like seven of them. And
Uh, I don't understand it either, so no worries.
well, we're supposed to like record it and then post it, and we haven't been, or at least that's what I thought. And so that's what I've been trying to mess around and see that we're recording it.
Oh, I see.
So this time I think I finally figured it out. So because it's
Good.
supposed to be able to comment and post on it to our stuff.
Hello,
Hey, Jace.
Hi.
how's it going?
Good.
Good. Have you heard from JC?
I haven't. I emailed him a couple times,
Okay,
and
he emailed me, but just to say he thought we were meeting last Thursday and he couldn't get in or something.
okay. Well, I sent him a link to this one, so
Okay.
hopefully he can get on, and if not, he can view it afterwards because we're recording it this time. So
Perfect.
we'll see. Okay. So I think this should be pretty easy tonight because there wasn't really much to do on the prep part of it. I guess we can just go over it and talk if we have questions. You guys have questions on it?
Made sense to me. I didn't have any questions.
Yeah, this one was pretty straightforward, I thought. So
Should we just dive right into the homework then and go from there?
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Sorry, it's pulled up. Let me know when you're there so we can.
Mine's pulling up too.
Okay.
All right, I think I'm good.
Okay. Sorry if you got like 4 emails from me. I was trying to figure out how to do this group meeting like efficiently, but so just wait for the last link. Apparently, is what we have to do.
No worries. Google is really convenient, but super confusing if you've never used it. So I'm just super confused all the time.
Yeah, and that's what we're supposed to record our group meeting and then post it so other people can look at it. So I think I figured out how to do that now, and so we'll see if it works this time.
All right.
Okay, I am at the quiz.
Okay, let's start then. Answer number 1 and number 2. And then let's go to number 3 and I'll read it. Note, give all the probability answers as decimals. For example, 0.1234. Do not give probability answers as percents. Okay, so human blood can be classified into one of our 4 basic types, 0, O, A, B, and AB. The portion of people in the population in the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following Table 1. Use the data to answer the following questions. Number 3. The blood types and the proportions given in this table above define a probability distribution.
I don't know what it's asking.
I don't know either.
I think it's yes. It's because they all have to add up to be a probability. They have to add up to 1.
Oh, if it meets those rules.
Yeah, if it meets 1, 2, and 3 of the rules of probability, then it's true. And I think it's true. So
Okay, that makes sense.
I agree.
Okay, true. Okay, number 4. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? Round to the second decimal place.
Wouldn't
So-
that just be 0.45?
yeah, I think
Okay.
so.
Because there's not really a person and they don't give it like how many there are, right?
Yeah, that's just like basically it's a percentage is what it comes out to be. So about 45% of people have O type blood. So
Okay. Someone want to do number 5?
sure, I got it.
You
Okay.
go, Jace.
What is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood?
So it's
Fine.
0.5?
The opposite. So it's 55
5, yeah.
or 0.55.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Number 6. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. Answer the following questions. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? Round answer to 3 decimal places.
Well,
Okay.
there's only 1 in 7 that there is.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 1 in 7, right?
Yeah, so 1 divided by 7.
So it's 0.1428. So 1243. 143.
Mm-hmm. That's what I think.
Okay. What do you think, Jace?
So just 0.143, right? We're just rounding it up.
Yeah.
Does it say round it to 3 decimals? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I got, so
Okay.
that makes sense.
Okay, number 7. In a combination total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer, or there is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
Strong evidence? Because it's saying that...
Doesn't it basically answer the question for you? It is
Yeah.
likely the dog would do well or do this well by random chance alone.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, let's go with that.
Okay.
Okay. So M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&M's website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in the bags of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. Refer to table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red-colored candy? Round answer to the 2nd decimal. So is it just 0.13?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green? Well, I got 16.16 because I just added the other ones up and then minus 1 from it.
I
Yeah.
accidentally did it with 100, and then I was really confused.
Yeah, you can do it from 100. You just have to minus them out as whole numbers instead of
Right.
fractions.
I forgot that part. Okay. What did you get, Stephanie?
0.16.
Yeah, it comes out to 84.
Yeah, for the total of it.
So, yeah.
So what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? 0.84.
Yeah, the opposite.
Okay. So when I want to take the next one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from CapEx.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Use the information from public university to answer the following questions. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
Would that be the mean?
Either that or the median.
I think the median. Which, I mean, they're practically the same.
Yeah. Just because that's halfway between.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is. What do you think, Jace?
I don't know. I'm like looking through my notes to see if I wrote down anything that would make any sense. So.
I just came to that because with the 5 thing, like if we just went by that 5 thing, the medium is like where it's at, and that's less than or equal to what number? So half of the observed, and that's how I came to that number. But that's just me.
All right, so you can go with the median.
Yeah. Just because that's half of it,
Mhm.
and then there's less than that. So I could be totally wrong, but that's what I'm.
Kind of the same thought process I had.
Yeah, it makes sense. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm all right with that.
Okay.
If we get it wrong, we can redo it later in the week. So
Okay.
Oh, nice. Okay, so the next one is based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number?
Would that be
27.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which of the
Nope, you got it.
which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur. The probability is number between 0 and 1. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, then the probability is negative. The sum of the probabilities is any probability of 1.
The third one.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Okay. Do we have any questions about it?
The one about if the probability is low, then the probability is negative.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah.
Are we good? Submit?
Yeah, I'm smitten. We got 100.
Oh,
Good
sweet.
job, guys. Okay. So our next meeting, when can you guys meet? Is Thursday work okay? I think Jace, you said you couldn't do it Thursday, or
Oh no, I'm good. Yeah, Thursdays are fine.
okay.
Yeah, if everyone could, I can meet earlier Thursdays too if that works better for people. But Thursday probably works best for me.
Okay. Ashley, what about you? Can you meet earlier, or is it you get off at 6:30 still? If it works, if it's okay now, it's only 8:17, so that wasn't bad tonight.
Right. Sometimes I don't get home until 6:30 or 6:40, but it just depends.
Okay.
We could maybe do 7:30 your time and see how that works. I just don't know for sure.
Are you okay with still 8, Jace?
Yeah, that's fine. No, I was just saying if people wanted to, I could go earlier too. So,
Okay.
Yeah,
let's
that's fine.
let's just leave it at 8 because that works for everyone, and I don't want you to miss anything. And
Okay.
then I'll email JC and see what his deal is and give him this link. But so let's put on that, and then hopefully just wait for my invite, I guess, for next time.
Okay,
Okay.
sounds good.
Sounds good.
Okay. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.